To set corner action for top left, to do the drag function in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap top left. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on off switch next to drag to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Now, go to the screen where you can do a drag function. As the example, we will use the drag function to adjust the screen brightness. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen using two fingers to open up the quick panel. First, hover and stop your mouse pointer on the top left corner of the screen. Then bring the pointer to the screen brightness control where you want to start dragging and to the point where you want to stop dragging. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.